Good morning, YouTube friends and family. Walgreens has some awesome deals this week. I'm going to tell you how I got all of this for 20 bucks out of pocket. Notice the Gardeners, I got $20 in Ace gift cards. That's what I paid for. So, transaction number one, 2 Ace gift cards and 1 Walgreens gift card. Tell them to put $5 on each one. Put in your rewards phone number, and you're only going to pay $10. You have a $5 Walgreens gift card, 2 Ace $5 gift cards. Then, transaction number two, do the same thing. 2 Ace, 1 Walgreens, put in your phone number, pay $10. So you have 2 Walgreens gift cards for $5 each now. And you still have your $20 in Ace cards. Next, get 2 Irish Springs. Now, something happened with this, but I'm going to tell you. Maybe because I bought the 5-in-1, so try buying the 2-in-1, the shampoo the body and face wash. But 2 Irish Springs, same flavor or scent. Or you can do soft soap, same flavor. Get 2 of them. Use the $2 off coupon on the rewards app. Put in your phone number. So they're $4.99 each, minus the $2. They came to $8 and something. Use your 2 Walgreens gift cards to pay for it. And put in your rewards number. It's supposed to give you $5 back in rewards. However, mine did not. Maybe because it was the 5-in-1. So if it does not, get a store manager to add your $5 in rewards to your card. Because you are to get $5 in rewards. So you've used the 2 free Walgreens gift cards to pay for this. You still have some change left on one of them. And you're getting $5 back. No more money out of pocket. Then you do the $1.99. So you can grab any Arm & Hammer products, $1.99 each. This is transaction number 4. $1.99 each. Or you can even you really got enough room to grab a third one. Get that. Use your card, put in your rewards number so they're $1.99. Use what's left on the second Walgreens gift card, which is $1 and something. Use some of the $5 in points that you just got. So since I only got 2, I had enough to get 3. But you may have to come up with the tax out of pocket. I only needed 1 cent. She said, forget it. So, paid nothing out of pocket for those 2. So now we're still only at the $20 for our Ace gift card that we will use for stuff for the garden. I hope I've explained it slow enough. And I have the receipts to show. Here's transaction number 1, 2 Ace Hardware gift cards, $550, $10 out of pocket. Here is transaction number 2, 2 Ace gift cards, $550, $10 out of pocket. Here is transaction number 3, 2 Irish Springs, 2 for $4.99, $9.98 minus the $2 coupon. Tub total $7.98. We have sales tax $8.73. So I use $5 on the $3.73 and the $5 on the gift card. And then I had a 3. Well, it was free. It was actually 0 out of pocket. That is not focusing. Then I had the cashier to add my rewards points, which are $5. Rewards customers earn $5. Then, last transaction, 2 of the Arm & Hammers for $1.99. Subtotal $3.98. Total $4.25. Use $3 in rewards and $1.27 from the gift card. 1 cent due. I hope I've explained it clearly enough. You know I'm jacked up about this coupon stuff, but I'll get it done. And I hope you understand and can get this good deal. So apparently the ACE cards are unlimited. So if you have big garden projects coming up, that might be something you want to do a lot of. So I hope you like this video. And remember, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.